up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my Miniverse. In our YouTube shorts, we've been having fun recycling caps. You know, like taking the lid off a bottle of poopery, then taking a plastic bag and cutting a rectangle, wrap it around the top, take a little tape, and secure the ends of the plastic bag. On the bottom, fold over the edges and secure with tape. Remove the bag, place it inside the lid, fold it over the edge to make a wastebasket or trash can. Perfect for a doll bathroom or under a desk. So let's have fun today making more stuff with caps. I was looking at this naked mini cactus and thought, doesn't the pot look just like the cap from a glue stick? This is a jumbo glue stick, and we're just going to remove the cap. I brush the outside with a little Mod Podge. Let's paint it a light terracotta color. Take recycled paperboard. I'm using a small piece of doll packaging. Draw an oval shape. I made it a little flat on the bottom. Cut it out. Use it to trace and cut out more. And I'm cutting the edges a little wobbly. I have a total of 4. Then I cover them with a layer of hot glue. And we are moving quickly to try to get it all covered before the glue dries. Repeat on the other side. Once dried, cut 3 of them in half, then glue them onto the last whole one. I glue 3 on each side, painted green. I applied 1 coat of paint, and now I'm going to allow it to dry. While waiting, let's check on our cap. We could paint the triangles on it, but I kind of like it as is. I fill it with hot glue, allow it to cool, then I use the nozzle to add a little texture. And I added a small hole for the plant. Then let's paint it gray, then brush it with a little white to represent our rocks. And of course, if you have them, you can always just use them. I dry brush the cactus with a little lighter green, add a few dots on the edges. Mine are white and brown, then glue it into the cap to make our own little potted plant. I like the caps on these mint containers. Let's remove the labels. I'm gonna leave the bottom on and add paint to the inside. Move it around so it begins to coat the inside of the container. And you can always add a little water to help the paint move. Allow it to dry, and we have a diaper pail for our little babies. Here's a cap from Chapstick. I remove the labels, cut a small piece of a glue stick. I melt the top with my hot glue gun, add a little piece of black thread, trim it, add a little glue to the end, and add a little glitter glue. Glue it inside the cap to make a decorative candle. In a previous video, we used toothpaste caps to make a Christmas tree mug, but let's use it to make a regular mug. Let's take a paper clip and unfold it, cut off the larger end, make 2 holes in the cap to fit the paper clip, and it already looks like a mug. I fill it with hot glue, paint it. While waiting for it to dry, let's take another toothpaste cap and the cap from a glue stick. I put a hole in the glue stick cap, then widened it with my hot glue gun. Take the leftover paper clip, bend it to make a handle. Trim it, make a hole in the glue stick cap to fit the paper clip. Glue the toothpaste cap to the bottom. I used hot glue and I allowed it to go from one cap down into the other. Then paint it. I started with a pink base coat, then let's go over it with a glitter nail polish to try to hide the lines in the cap. While that's drying, let's add a little brown paint and Mod Podge to the top of our mug. Then let's add a few drops of white paint. Then I use a needle to just drag the paint and make designs. I have a few white nail art stickers that we can place on the cup and seal it with clear polish. Take a silver button and a white button, line them up so we can see through 2 of the holes, glue them together. I have coated wire from packaging. I score it and remove the coating to make a clear straw. Put the straw through the buttons, glue the end of the straw in the cup, then glue down the buttons to make a Stanley or Hydro Flask inspired tumbler. Our mug is now dry, but I think I want to give it a little more color. So I carefully go over it with a little nail polish, and let's add a little gold glitter paint to the bottom. Allow it to dry, add a few clear coats of polish, and now our dolls can have their coffee in the house or take it to go. And the glitter on our candle is completely dry now, and it gives a nice little sparkle. Our dollhouse lamp is a super easy project. I'm using the cap from deodorant, a discarded toothbrush head, and a button. Glue the toothbrush into the deodorant cap. I glued it directly onto the side, leaving a little space in the front. Glue a button to the bottom to make a simple dollhouse lamp. If we wanted to have a little glow, we can take a balloon light, add a little poster putty or blue tack, and place it inside. For a working lamp, we can use our caps to hold kitchen utensils. No crafting required. What about something for the cats? I've been seeing commercials for this robo litter box like crazy. I thought we could make something like it using the top of a gum container and a plastic measuring cup. For the base, you can use whatever you want. I'm going to use the top of a coffee creamer. I remove the door from the mint container lid, cut the handle off the measuring cup. For me, this was not the easiest thing to do, so be careful. Take the gum container lid and glue it onto the measuring cup. Let's remove the lid from the coffee creamer. I cut a small piece from the front, then glue it onto the base. Add a small cut piece of craft foam. Glue the two pieces together. Glue foam or cardstock inside to make a self-cleaning cat litter box. So in our little celebration of lids, caps, and tops, we made a bathroom trash can. I have a small black trash can on the side of the toilet. We made a candle in a jar with a little glitter sparkle. We made a cactus in a pot. And you can check out our 14 Easy Quick Crafts video from 3 years ago for more ideas on making plants out of hot glue. We made an easy diaper pail. So after we finish changing our little silicone babies, we can take the used diaper and place it in the diaper pail. A number of different gum containers can work for this project. This one is from Tic Tac. We made a lamp that can glow, a mug of coffee, and a mini Stanley inspired cup. That's a vibe. There's a container to hold utensils and a litter box, which gives us 7 or so quick crafts for the day, using caps, tops, and lids. And thank you to the family and friends who donated caps for this project. Thank you for joining us for another Quick Crafts video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!